what's going on YouTube? It's the Blank Duelist here, and today we're going to be opening up 24 packs of Dark Saviors. And today with me I have Luke.
Hi.
That works too. And so I'm going to be opening the pack. Luke's going to literally be reading the name and telling you everything about the card because he's the genius at this point. We're going to start with 4 that somebody impatiently pre-opened because somebody got a bit too impatient. They won't. Kree Bandit, no. So obviously we have Kree Bandit, as we do. Mirror Force. Classic Mirror Force. Mystic Tomato. That face will bring you nightmares, kids. Foolish Burial Goods. And
Vampire's Domain.
You want to tell us what Vampire's Domain does, Luke?
Basically, you can activate it, pay 500 life points, and get another normal summon for your vampires that turn.
Sounds simple enough.
Next
pack. Next pack, which is this Dark Saviors thing. Oh god. The Monarch Storm.
4.
Storm 4th. Wrong one. Vampire
Red Baron.
Mystic Tomato again. Hemrish the Furhire. Oh god, the Furhires.
Training for hire for all your hire needs. It's one of the longest. Fun fact: it's one of the longest names in the game.
There is. I swear your channel did like top 10 longest names in Yu-Gi-Oh! At one point.
It was on there.
Oh god. Vampire Villain.
Crawling.
Allure of Darkness, good boy.
Drowning Mirror Force.
Sorcerer. Shadow Vampire. I just tell there's a recurring theme in this deck, people.
Vampires.
As much as we would love them not to be, as vampires. We're Sage for Hire, of course, as you do. Red Baron.
Armageddon
Knight. Vampiric.
Orchid.
Don't like that anymore.
Bravo.
Just gonna call him Bravo.
So then we go on to
the new pack with not.
We've got Sky Striker Mechamori Hercules base, Vampire Awakening, Sky Striker Ace Kagari, Vampire Red Baron, and for the secret we've got Sagitta Maverick for hire.
At the back. I'm gonna get this one open. Really? While Luke's opening that pack, we'll get this one done. Sky Strikers Airspace Area 0.
Plague
Zombie
Dark
Graphire, Monarch Storm 4th,
and
for your training needs because we're not dealing with that name anymore. Good old training needs.
Next one we've got Quick Booster, Vampire Sorcerer, Sky Striker Ace Ray, Vampiric Koala, Mayhem for hire. That's actually a short print.
Is it actually? Oh, put that in sleeve, man.
Sleeve it up. I'll sleeve that up. Got some nice KC sleeves.
Show them the good old sleeves. Good old Cab Corporation sleeves, or CC as we're calling them from now on, with another little joke. Next pack, we've got Sky Striker's Ace Ray.
Ray's Day. Honor the Phantom
Beast. Plague Spreader Zombie. Vampire
Vamp. And
Sky Striker's Spark Cannon.
Yeah.
Vampiric Koala. Just make me depressed with that card.
Then we've got Vampiric Koala, Vampire Retainer, Shadow Vampire, Hercules Base, and Vampire's Domain.
Sky Striker's Mech
Drones.
Bravo again, Vampire Grimson, Shadow Vampire, and Vampire's Desire. Oh, there's so many vampires in these damn sets.
Then we go on to Eagle Booster, Shizuku, Retainer, Toon Table, and Training for Hire for all your hire needs.
Because we're not dealing with that name anymore.
Dumper, Mark for hire.
Scapegoat. For Hire Flying Fortress, Vampire Vamp, and Vampire as a secret, of course. Oh, so many packs.
So we're going to start off the pack again with Quick Booster, Spell Power Grasp, Dark Grapher, Vampire Sorcerer, and for the secret we've got Shark Cannon.
Good old Shark Cannon as you do. Mecha again.
Hornet Drones.
Sky Striker Mecha, Equal Booster. Fur Fire, Darkman, a lot of darkness, of course, and then
Raphael. That's a decent card.
I wonder where the other 3 turtles are. I had to.
Dark Gruffer, Vampire Awakening, Scapegoat, Recon, Scout for Hire, and a Vampire's Domain. That's a playset of that.
And I think we're only missing one for Vampiric Koala. Bravo again.
Recon,
Armageddon Knight. More than a playset.
and
Sky Strike.
multi-roll.
A multi-roll.
That's nice.
Sweet. That's all, not bad.
One of Sky Striker's best cards.
What's the next one then?
Got Spell Power Grasp, Toon Table of Contents, Vampire Familiar, Curry Bandit, and Magical Citadel of Endymion. That's a nice secret.
As you do. Another Armageddon Knight. Vampire Awakening, Draining Mirror Force, Vampiric Familiar, and Dino.
Hero for Hire.
Hero Fire.
Fun fact, you can actually use Mask Change on them because it counts as a hero card.
Doesn't surprise me.
Got Horn of the Phantom Beast, Fandora the Flying Fortress, Foolish Burial Goods, Vampire Retainer, and Sky Striker Maneuver, Jamming Waves. That's the 3rd copy I need for that.
Sky Striker Area 0, another Field Sword, Foolish Burial Goods, Mirror Force, Reinforcement of the Army, and Wiz. I'm just calling you Wiz because we're not giving you the full name. You've got too many long names in these sets nowadays. Oh, down to the last. Oh, gosh.
Helmsman for Hire, Sky Striker Ace Ray, Seal Strategist for Hire, Vampire Grimson, and I really do not want that. I'm fine with spells, but...
Good old Scapegoat. Crimson Knight Vampire Beam. Vampire Vamp.
And that's
Beastman.
another short print. We've got both the short print for hires.
Whoa.
That's a decent secret.
Second class pack. Luke, you're opening that one. And I've got the final pack. Oh, God.
Quick Booster, Curry Bandit, Mirror Force, Seal Strategist for Hire, and Wiz, Sage for Hire.
Oh. Vampiric Orcs,
August.
Sky Strike, Draining Mirror Force, Play Spreader Zombie, and Vampire Desires is the last card. So let's just show off the 2 short prints that we've gotten in this entire box.
Beat Bladesman for Hire, it's the Searcher for Hire.
Oh, not bad.
And we've got Mayhem for Hire, it's basically a Monster Reborn.
So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.